In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a device from NordVPN MeshNet using your Nord account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Nord account login page. Sign into your account just as you normally would and complete any security checks if prompted. This takes you to your main dashboard, which is where you can manage all your Nord services in one place. Once you're in, look to the left-hand panel and find the section labeled NordVPN. Click it to open the NordVPN management area. If you use multiple Nord products, this helps ensure you're adjusting settings specifically for NordVPN. Inside the NordVPN area, look for a heading that mentions additional features and services. Under that, locate MeshNet. You should see an option like See Your Devices. Click that. If the wording on your screen is a little different, that's okay. Interface labels can vary slightly. Just look for MeshNet or something that leads to your device list. You'll now see a list of devices currently linked to MeshNet. This list typically shows device names and platforms, which makes it easier to identify what's what. Take a moment to confirm which device you want to remove. If your devices have similar names, double-check the platform or any hints that make it clear you're selecting the right one. Giving your devices clear names ahead of time can save you guesswork here. Next to the device you want to remove, look for an option like Manage Device or Remove from MeshNet. Click it. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you truly want to remove that device. Read the message so you understand what happens next. Removing a device from MeshNet revokes its access to your MeshNet network. But it doesn't cancel your NordVPN subscription, change your plan, or uninstall anything on that device. You can add the device back later if you need to. Confirm the removal. After a moment, the device should disappear from your MeshNet list. If it still shows, refresh the page to update the view. If you don't see the device list or the MeshNet section, make sure you're in the NordVPN area of the dashboard and expand any additional features menus. Try signing out and back in, or switch to another browser if the page doesn't load as expected. If you're on a managed or team account, you might need admin permissions to remove certain devices. That's it, your selected device is now removed from MeshNet. This is a great step to take if a device is lost, retired, or simply no longer needs access.